Hello, this is my final project for CS50P Introduction to Python with Introduction to Programming with Python by Harvard. Title Hand Wave to Sound. Name Harjot Singh. GitHub username Harjot008. edX username is Harjot008. Country I live in India, Haryana, SR. 9th of June 2025 is the recording date. Let's get into the project. So in the readme file I have given all the description about the project. Requirements.exe involves all the required libraries. I have divided the project into two parts, hands-module.py and a project.py. Project.py is the main file in which all the main code has written, whereas in hands-module.py I have made a custom library for myself just to facilitate the programs. That's all. And test project.file. In this I have implemented 3 testing functions which involves using PyTest, and unit test library is also involved in this. Let's run this. Python project.py. So basically the program starts with detecting my hand. If it detects a V sign, also known as peace sign, it will say activated, and now activated. Now the movement for clockwise and anti-clockwise will control the volume change. It's like rotating a knob. It's like rotating a knob actually. It feels very similar to that. I have implemented it such that when you press Q, the program will correct. Thank you. This is my final project for CS50P. Hope you like it. Thank you.